Hey folks, Dave here with you. I ain't got no project on the Chevelle today. Project's on the Volkswagen. Putting this wiring harness. You see this? I put me a hitch in yesterday. Now I got to put the wiring harness in. So it takes a bit of disassembling of several things. Tail light lens, they got to come out. And hook the wires all up. Put the trim pieces, got to disassemble the interior in here just to get this wire run. So found out some things. Found my bumper jack right there after I went and bought one because I didn't figure it had it. See, this car was, and that'll be just threw things back in the where they didn't go, basically. So let me get on with this and see where we get to. Update time. I've been at it about 30 or 40 minutes now. I got some scars to prove it. I watched a little video on putting this thing together. Yeah, you just run this little tube down here and snake it back through. Oh shit. Man, I've been fighting this thing. I finally got the tube down now that I can tape my end to it and pull it back through here. But my goodness, Etrailer, that's their name. You're gonna have to work on a little bit better video. I have to put my video on there. Reality with Dave. I'll get back with you. Now, if I hadn't figured out to take this out, undo that, get this that way, that would have been pretty simple. Now all I gotta do is put the lights back together, put everything back together. Then I got one more wire run. And that's going to be a good one. I got to run from here all the way to the front of the car under the hood battery. Good luck on that one. I'll get back with you on it. Y'all paying attention to all these panels laid out everywhere and parts and pieces, and I'm working on it. Yeah. It was water break time. Before I tackle the hard job of trying to route this wire. That ain't gonna be too hard because I can do it. Alright. Alright, we got the interior all put back together. Tail lights back in. Panels closed up. Everything back like it was. No problem. Yeah, right. Now, I think I have me another water before I tackle this wire. I had one little other item I wanted to do, and that's put some Loctite blue on my bolts that hold the trailer hitch on. Just for a little added protection. I put them on yesterday, and I didn't have none, so I took them back off. And with the help, my handy dandy little impact wrench, bam, knock them in and out, man. All right, notice we hadn't done a lot of filming of the fat guy walking around on the ground trying to get up under the car around a wire, have you? Nah, don't see that. It's ugly. But we're slowly getting it. Got that one out of the way with the jack under it. Pushing the wire up and working our way to the front. So as soon as we get it cleared, I'll let you know. Gotta get up under this panel right here, you see. I was needing a snake, so I made me one. I don't know what a snake is, huh? Piece of straight wire used to tie like soft wire to and pull it, you know, so you go through something. So maybe. All right, I didn't see no smoke. Let's turn the lights on. See if we got any. First, we'll turn on the park light headlight. Should have lights back here lit up. Good. Yeah, that works. All right. Go for a turn signal. Guess that's our key in. One blinking. That one's blinking. Got the other side. Let's go check for. Yeah, that's working. Yeah. Outside. That seems to work. Now, let's prop you up. See if you get brake lights. Go watch now. There you go. That'll work. Yeah, wasn't that a fun project? I hope y'all had a good time watching me struggle, scratch my hands up, come up bleeding, and everything else. But I got her done. It works. Everything's good to go. Glad you watched. Hope you'll see you again next time. Bye.